Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to link your external style sheet in each of your HTML files for your website. So as you can see here on the left, I have all of my HTML complete for my website. So there's 4 total pages on my website. This is my home page, my about page, a photo gallery, and a blog. They don't look super awesome right now, so we're going to learn about CSS next and about how to make the website look a lot more beautiful. In order to do that though, we need to link our external style sheet into each of our HTML files. So also in my text editor I have each file open. So I have my index file, my gallery file, my about file, my blog file. I also have my styles file. There's no code written in that and we'll get to that later. So I'm going to click back on my index file. If I look at part 5 of my project plan, I can find the code that I need to add to each of my HTML files. So I'm going to go ahead and in my index file between the head tags, so I'm going to put it right after this meta tag, I'm going to type link relative equals style sheet type equals text / CSS href. Now this is where we say or let the browser know where to find the style sheet, and for us it's inside our project folder, and so it's in the same folder as these other files, so we don't need to tell it which folder to go into, but we do need to give it the file name, which is styles.css. If you named your CSS file something else, then you're going to change this to match the name of your file, but mine is styles.css. I want to save that. If I come back to my home page, refresh, nothing should happen. Nothing is different, but we can test it out to see if it works. So if I go over to my styles file and can write a quick line of code, we can make pushing encode come up red if it worked correctly. So set color to red, and then if I come over here and refresh, pushing encode turns red. So I know that my styles.css is correctly linked into my file. Now all I need to do is actually copy this line of code and paste it between the head tags of each of my other documents. Make sure you save it. So paste is Command B, Command S to save. My last page, Command B to paste, Command S. And then if I come over here and look at my about, I can also see all about pushing is red, my photo gallery is red, and my blog is red. And that's because I have an H1 tag right here on each of my pages. So I don't want this to be red. I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and you'll learn all about CSS later and how to style things the way that you want.